Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing wonderfully well. So in today's video we are doing a simple green pepper sauce or green chili sauce. Let's get started. So for my ingredients, I have in scallions or spring onions, green bell peppers, green chili pepper and red bed chili. I have in onion. And for spices, I have ginger, garlic, all pepper seasoning and salt, and oil for frying. So I'll be cutting all my vegetables, add it to a blender, and also add in my cooking oil. Blend until everything becomes very smooth. So the reason why I added in oil to blend instead of water is because I don't want to keep long whilst frying it. I want it to be very moist, so I don't want any water in it for the cooking and everything to become very easy. In a heated pan, I'll add in my blended vegetables. Please make sure your fire is on low heat or medium heat. Stir gently until you begin to see the oil begins to settle on top, just as you're seeing right now. And also make sure you stir gently and periodically so that it doesn't stick to your pan. Cover it after stirring so that you don't mess up your kitchen. It's been 10 minutes of cooking the sauce and you can see the oil has begun to surface on top of it. I will then go ahead and add in my all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of salt to taste. Leave it to cook for additional 10 minutes. You can enjoy this sauce with some fresh kinky, banku, jollof rice, anything you can name it. I'm going to enjoy this sauce with banku, and trust me, I really loved it. You can see the oil has turned into green, and that is the right consistency I am looking for. It's been 15 minutes and our sauce has really cooked very well. So I'm going to leave this to cool down for at least 30 minutes and transfer it into an airtight container. You can store this in your refrigerator for at least 2 or 1 month. It's okay. Please, if you want more of my recipes, please click on the post notification bell and subscribe also to my channel so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching my video and stay blessed.